Jake and Elise. All right, Elise, this is your first video. We're headed to the salon. How are you feeling?
Exhausted.
Ready, Mama? Jillian's Day Spa. Here we go.
No use thinking.
Wait, say something to Jake.
Jake, will you love me forever like this?
I've been walking. No use thinking. Always talking. It's bringing me right down.
I challenge you friends that are here today, relatives and loved ones who have come to bear witness to the ceremony. Will you promise to support this union in good times and bad? If so, say I will.
I will.
I'm sorry, that was kind of, what was that?
I
will. Excellent.
I will strive to be your greatest fan,
Your ally,
your ally,
your accomplice,
your accomplice,
for I love you unconditionally and without hesitation.
for I love you unconditionally and without hesitation.
But what struck me the most was how Jake looked at her. He looked at her as though there was not a single solitary soul left on this earth. As if she were just a precious pearl that he had plucked out of the ocean and he had to keep it safe. It was beautiful to see, and in that first glance, I knew that one day I'd be at their wedding telling this story to all of you. You are in this gorgeous house surrounded by friends and family in the arms of your new spouse. And there's nothing more important than that. So everyone, if you could please just raise a glass to the happy couple, Jake and Elise. I wish you health, love, wealth, and happiness in the time to life.